I will talk about how can you enable light mode on your YouTube TV app. We'll go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click on dark theme here. Just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on light theme. So then here automatically here it's going to change with you to light mode like you see here. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.